In what could be said to be no relief for the Delhi Chief Minister, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal today, the Supreme Court today posted his petition challenging the ad interim stay that was put in by the Delhi High Court on his bail order. Not only this, the Supreme Court stated that the High Court should have dealt with the stay application on the day itself. However, at this stage, the Supreme Court would not pass any order since the order of the Delhi High Court is yet to come out, and if at all the Supreme Court deals with it, it would be like prejudging the particular issue. At this particular stage, Arvind Kejriwal had secured a bail in this particular case last week. However, the bail order was actually stayed by, in fact, the Delhi High Court, which was dealing with the stay application filed by the Enforcement Directorate. The Enforcement Directorate in its plea has stated that it was not given an ample opportunity to oppose the bail application filed by Mr. Kejriwal, and not only this, the conditions of the Section 45 under the Prevention Money Laundering Act 2002, that is the PMLA, have not been dealt by the trial court, which is a rigorous condition for grant of bail under the PMLA or the offence of money laundering. Now, the Arvind Kejriwal's legal team has left no stone unturned to get this stay vacated from the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has now posted this matter for further hearing day after tomorrow, since the High Court's order is likely to come up tomorrow on the stay application filed by the Enforcement Directorate. The Enforcement Directorate has vehemently opposed, in fact, any kind of a relief to the Delhi Chief Minister, saying he's the key conspirator and the kingpin of the whole Liquorgate saga and one of the major bribe takers in this particular case, wherein he had demanded 100 crores of bribe from Ms. K. Kavita and Maguta Srinivasanu Reddy. However, all of this would not have had not been considered by the trial court, is what the ED alleges, and hence had challenged this particular order before the Delhi High Court. The High Court, after a lengthy hearing in that particular matter, reserved the order on the stay application filed by the Enforcement Directorate and had placed the main matter, the appeal challenging the trial court order, in July this year. So we'll have to wait and watch as to how things pan out for the Delhi Chief Minister. But at this particular point, just like the Delhiites who are not getting a respite from the heat, the Chief Minister too has no relief coming in from the Supreme Court or the High Court either. I am Ananya Bhatnagar with video journalist Arpit Seth for CNN News 18 from the National Capital.